Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been dead for some time now, but I'm bringing it back with Trash Talk.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had the sunny.
Let's go, man. Nothing to be scared of.
Oh, there's some shivers going on, bro. Look at this guy.
Feeling a bit cold. This is episode 1 of Trash Talk, where I will be doing cold plunges in trash cans with my homies. Guest number 1 is my roommate and one of my best friends, Dishan Girvani. You probably know him from his last album, Good Things Take Time. What's happening, Dishan?
Nothing, man. I'm getting ready to trash talk.
This is last year did cold plunge.
I think like last month when we went to Eureka.
The first cold plunge party.
First cold plunge party. Exactly.
Yeah. But before that, I mean, Dishan and I used to do.
Yeah, I have done this.
I actually got into cold plunging as a concept because of you.
And now I am afraid of
You
it again.
introduced me to Wim Hof. How did you get into Wim Hof?
I was in college in Boston and it was cold there, so I had to do something to deal with the cold and actually just do this breathing thing, which we should probably start now.
Yeah, I remember I'd come over to your house in Pune and you were like, dude, I'm doing this ice thing, and I was like, what? And then you got like a little bowl and filled it with ice and you put your hand in for a couple minutes.
Just hand.
And then I tried it and I couldn't do like 10 seconds. I was losing my shit. It was
And
horrific.
6 minutes of trash talk.
And 6 minutes. No, because I sincerely believe that people should not speak longer than they can be in a bucket of ice.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? How's it going? Are you working on new music? You are working on new music, no?
I am. I'm always
You are?
working on new music. Taking
Start loading up the ice. So we're doing roughly 35 kilos of ice per bucket. Any progress, dude?
Yeah. Alright,
Cool, bro. You ready?
ready. Let's go.
Alright,
3, 2, 1.
Nice. So
I don't think we've done it like this, bro. I feel like Ganga Mayu, you know? But you did it with one more dude like this.
It
but
was
like,
never a load. It used to be like 3-4 of us. Here.
No, but like
we
two
always
people
watch
doing,
one
yeah,
person.
exactly. So now looking at another person do it is
Interesting. How long has it been since you moved to Bombay, dude?
since you convinced me, man, like 4 years ago.
Convinced you? Do you count yourself as talkative? You're not talkative.
I'm not non-talkative. Depends on the sensitivities of the people around me. You know what I mean? What is the coldest thing you've done to someone else since we're in a ice bath right now?
Like the most heartless thing. So one of the most evil things that I do pretty regularly is, and I actually don't mind this one, but you know when you park your car right outside a restaurant and the valet driver still has to take your key. So you just park your car and because you found a spot right outside the restaurant or whatever. You're giving me a key, you go in, and when you're out, you just grab your key, get back into the car. But these valet drivers, in fishing for tips, they will like walk to your car and be like, so there's the car, sir. They'll come open the door and shit, like super fake enthusiasm. And I never have cash on me. So I don't tip them, but I don't mind it because I'm like, dude, you didn't actually do anything.
Yeah, but this is mean more than cold. Cold would be
I
like.
think it's pretty cool because, like, you know, they're making eye contact with me and I'm making eye contact with them and I'm like, thank you, dude. Come
I've
on.
done that. He just closes the door harder on me. He's like,
No, man, I think the coldest thing I might have done is firing some people. It's pretty hard
Yeah?
sometimes.
No, I think when I first moved to Bombay, I had this job, and it was like the first few days. I go out to like buy some munch or perk or whatever, and when I come back, I stepped in shit, and then I tried really hard to scrape off as much shit as I could, but I didn't. For whatever reason, I didn't think to just leave my shoes outside, and I was like, fuck it, I've scraped off most of it, it's fine. And I go inside, and there's a guy who's there to fix some technical issues. So he comes in, and then my boss is like, bro, what the fuck is stinking? I was like, I don't know. And he comes and he tells this guy, bro, your shoes are stinking. And then he makes that guy put his shoes outside. So I'm like, fuck. Now the smell doesn't go away. So then I put my shoes outside at the same time. So then it seems like definitely his shoes
let
were the
him
ones.
assume.
I let him assume. I was like, I didn't want to be the guy who had shit shoes.
That's rough, man. You can't be dunking on people below you in life. Something cold I did recently, bro. I was just playing paddle and I accidentally said yes to 2 plans, okay? And they were like 20-30 minutes away, so I couldn't make it to both. So I let both think I was coming and I called a replacement player for 11 to 12 in the 10 to 12 slot. So at 11ish, I had told this friend that I was playing with that dude, I hurt my toe a few days ago because I did. And at 11, I was like, dude, I gotta leave, but I've got a replacement player. And she kind of assumed that I'm leaving because of my toe. And I kind of let her assume I was leaving because of the
Same
toe.
thing, bro. Same thing.
It's not the same. But then someone from that 12 to 130 game posted an Instagram story about our game, and I reposted it, and then she found out I left another game, and I felt bad about that one.
That's okay, bro. This is like, come on, bro. You're not really giving me anything, you know.
I'm not a cold guy, man. What do I tell you?
Chill na, done now. I'm not
done?
gonna talk. Yeah.
How much are you gonna talk? This much is good. Okay, last, what are you looking forward to?
Just in life.
Yeah.
Just putting out more music, man.
Are you?
Just my own music, yeah.
Because I know you're working on a lot of shit that's
On a
not
lot
your
of
own music.
Yeah.
Are you excited about this movie project you're doing? Of course, you're scoring
Oh
a
yeah,
movie.
first film, man. Kabir and I started this company, and now we're scoring a film.
First take.
First take, yeah.
The plugging. First take.
First take, yeah.
If you need any music production services of the highest quality,
For sure.
get in touch with First Take
What
LLP.
are you looking forward to, bro?
What am I looking forward to? But I think it's been a pretty rough last couple of years
Yeah.
since our fund raise, and now we're finally profitable as a business, and we can finally grow heavily again this year. So I'm excited to do all the hype shit that we were doing earlier,
YouTube, man.
but this time with like a profitably fundamental base. You know what I mean? So I'll be a lot more confident in being loud and obnoxious. Alright, you wanna dunk face and get out?
Yeah, sure. They should have like ice cream and that's something cold to eat with a bit of
Ice cream?
Ice cream or the ice
Why is
bath.
that the vibe?
To the-
Actually, like post ice bath, you feel hot.
I feel really hot.
Feel
now,
really
yeah.
hot. Okay, I guess
yeah.
that brings us to end of episode 1 of Trash Talk. Let me know who else we should bring on to the show, and follow the Shan on his Instagram, subscribe to his YouTube channel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Good night.
Deepu needs to have an episode, bro.
People needs to have an episode.
No words will be spoken. Sarah, the best joke, she's like, bro, this is the two hardest things you have to do at the same time. I was like, what? She said, ice bath and talking to me. I was like, oh my god.
That was so savage.
We have